Today with Garmin Xero C1 Pro. We are going to walk you through the ins and outs of how to work it, how to get started, and then we're going to fire a couple shots and show you what it does as far as data fields and such. So first off, what you want to start is it comes in a box with a charger. It's a C-class charger with a USB. It also comes with a little tripod. This is universal. It will work on any camera tripod. So if you don't like this one, you can switch it out with whatever you'd like as far as the tripod is concerned. This one just happens to work good if you're shooting off of a table, height-wise and everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by powering the unit on. And we have the option of new set and history or settings. So we're going to go to new session, and we're going to go to rifle. You have the option of rifle, pistol, bow, air rifle, and there's actually another. If we scroll down, it says other and has a spare. I don't know if that's something that would be feasible, but if so. All right, so we're going to go with the rifle, and we're just going to click OK. And we're going to go with feet per second. So they're going to be between 1,700 and 5,000 feet per second. If you had a smaller caliber rifle, you'd be between 600 and 1,700. Okay, now we're going to enter the weight of the shell that we're using, and I had that preset to 165 grains. So we're just going to go through that. And now pretty much it's pretty simple. It says to have it 5 to 15 inches from the barrel of the gun. So we're going to hit OK, and it's ready to start. So we're going to put it down here, and then we're going to fire a couple of shots off. And we'll get some data from it. All right, so we just fired off 3 of the same rounds. 165 grain bullets, and if you look here, it shows that we have 2,769 feet per second. It has a minimum of 2,769, an average of 2,797, and a max of 2,827. So that's pretty much telling you the speed at which your bullet's going at. A lot of times you'd use this for your own bullets that you're loading yourself to try to get it to match the trajectory of a commonly made bullet. So once you do that, you come up here and you click OK, and it has shot list, session summary, data fields, display color, which that is neither here nor there. But you could go in and it gives you a little bit more detail on your data fields. So pretty much that's a wrap on that. Get them now; they're hot. We're selling them like hotcakes. Outdoor Dog Supply.